Hello everyone, I am Kanishka Dey. I am the proud alumni of Pune Institute of Business Management batch of 2019-21. Currently, I am working at Moody's Corporation as a customer success manager in Bengaluru location. In PIBM, I pursued my PGDM in core marketing specialization, and that's where I built my foundation of my career. During my days at PIBM, I gathered practical exposure through different modules like brand management, market strategy, service marketing, and many more. And I also got the opportunity to do two fabulous internships offered by PIBM. Additionally, the corporate sessions and other interactive rounds also helped me to know much better, and it honed my presentation and negotiation skills, which are very important in client-facing roles. So all these practical insights and conceptual clarity helped me a lot to step into the corporate world successfully, and the skills that I developed during my PIBM days, it really helped me a lot, and it helped me to excel myself in today's date also. So to all my fellow juniors, it's an advice. Please make the use of PIBM resources fully. I'm guaranteeing you, if you are preparing yourself, if you are engaging yourself more, you will successfully step into the corporate world very soon.